Where's Kiana? Boo! Where's my Cinderella running with one shoe on and one shoe off? Pika, 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 pika. Go, catch Dada. Go catch. Where's he gone? Ooh, why are you coming? He's not coming after you. I'm telling you to go catch him. She thinks you're coming after her. Peekaboo. Bat, where is he? Go find him. He's not there. He's gone. Hey.
Hey!
Sorry.
Kiss Georgie.
Kiss Dada? Chance is no chance.
She kissed me without me even asking.
Full love. Only once in a while she'll bestow those favors on us. Otherwise all the love is only for the softies. Huh? We don't want to catch you and spank you. Not kissing us, only kissing your softies. Boo, boo. Boo.